A throbbing head, aching temples, a feeling like your brain is in a vice, headaches. We've all been there. It's like an uninvited guest at your party, disrupting your groove and making it hard to focus on anything else. And it's more common than you might think. Headaches can be triggered by a myriad of factors. Stress, for instance, is a notorious headache culprit. It's like your body's way of saying, "Hey, take it easy." Lack of sleep can also lead to that pounding in your temples. It's as if your brain is throwing a tantrum, demanding its beauty sleep. And let's not forget dehydration. Your brain is 75% water after all. When you're not hydrating enough, it's like your brain is stranded in a desert, and it's not too happy about it. Now, wouldn't it be great if there were handy natural remedies to ease that headache away? Well, you're in luck. Stay tuned. Let's dive into our first remedy, hydration. You see, your brain is like a sponge, and when it dries out, it starts to shrink, pulling away from the skull and causing that dreaded headache. And the solution? Simple. Drink water. Hydrating can help to reinflate this brain sponge and banish those brain-shrinking headaches. It's like giving your brain a much-needed soak in the tub. So remember, when your head starts pounding, reach for a glass of water. Next up, we have a mineral that's a bit of a headache superhero. Magnesium. It's a mighty mineral that plays a crucial role in our body's functioning, from nerve transmission to muscle contraction. But here's the kicker, folks. It's a bit of a wizard when it comes to warding off those pesky migraines. Studies suggest that a magnesium deficiency might even trigger headaches. So how about boosting your magnesium intake? Foods like almonds, spinach, and even dark chocolate are packed with it. So, why not give magnesium a try? It might just be the headache hero you need. Now let's talk about something that might be causing your headaches. Alcohol. Yes, that glass of Chardonnay or pint of lager could be the culprit behind your throbbing temple. Alcohol can trigger headaches due to its diuretic nature, causing dehydration, and by directly affecting your blood vessels. And let's not forget the infamous hangover headache. So, what's the remedy? Simply put, moderation. Stopping alcohol consumption can be a game changer in managing headaches. So the next time your head's pounding after a night out, consider taking it easy on the drinks. Ever noticed how a lack of sleep can lead to a nasty headache? It's no coincidence, folks. Sleep deprivation is a notorious culprit behind those throbbing temples. The science is clear. Your brain needs rest to function properly. And when it's running on empty, it tends to protest with a headache. So, the remedy? Catch those Z's. Grant yourself the luxury of a full night's sleep. It's not just about feeling refreshed. It's about giving your brain the rest it needs to keep headaches at bay. So don't skimp on your beauty sleep. Your head will thank you. Now let's talk about a remedy that smells as good as it feels. Essential oils. Imagine being surrounded by the comforting aroma of lavender or the refreshing scent of peppermint. Well, these aren't just pleasing to your nose, they are also potent headache combatants. Lavender oil, for instance, is known for its calming properties, which can help alleviate tension headaches. Peppermint oil, on the other hand, can open up clogged blood vessels in the head, easing migraine pain. So, if you're looking for a natural and aromatic way to relieve your headache, consider giving essential oils a try. Opening. You are what you eat, and sometimes what you eat can give you a headache. It's a well-known fact that certain foods can act as triggers for headaches. So, let's delve into the culinary world of headache triggers. Foods rich in histamines like aged cheeses, fermented food, smoked fish, and certain types of beer and wine can incite our head to start a throbbing pain party. And let's not forget everyone's favorite villain, processed foods. Laden with preservatives and additives, these can be a headache's best friend. But don't despair, food can also be your ally in the battle against headaches. Maintaining a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, can help keep those headaches at bay. Hydrating foods, those high in water content, can also help prevent dehydration, a common headache trigger. So, the next time you reach for that extra slice of aged cheese or gulp down that third cup of coffee, pause. Remember, your diet could be the unsuspecting culprit behind your headache woes. Closing. So keep an eye on your diet. It might just be the key to keeping those headaches at bay. Now, let's talk about a cool remedy for headaches: cold compresses. When the head pounds like a drum, a cold compress can be your best friend. By applying it to your neck or forehead, you can reduce inflammation and ease the pain. Think of it as a mini Arctic vacation for your throbbing temples. The cold can help constrict blood vessels, reducing the throbbing sensation often associated with headaches. So the next time a headache strikes, why not reach for a cold compress? Last but not least, let's discuss B vitamins. These little wonders, particularly B2, B9, B12, and B6, are known to help reduce headaches. How, you ask? Well, they play a crucial role in brain cell function and the formation of red blood cells, which carry oxygen to the brain. Now, imagine your brain sitting up there in your noggin, getting all the oxygen it needs. Sounds like a happy brain, doesn't it? And a happy brain means fewer headaches. So consider adding B vitamins to your diet or supplement routine. Your head might just thank you. So there you have it. 8 natural remedies to help you combat those pesky headaches. Let's jog your memory a bit, shall we? We've got hydration, the power of magnesium, the role of alcohol, the importance of good sleep, the magic of essential oils, diet modifications, the cool relief of cold compresses, and last, but certainly not least, the benefits of B vitamins. Now remember, these remedies are not one size fits all. What works for one person might not work for another. But don't lose heart. It's all about finding what works best for you. And let's not forget, while these remedies can be effective, they're not substitutes for professional medical advice. If your headaches persist or become more severe, it's time to book an appointment with your healthcare provider. Remember, don't let a headache ruin your day. Try these remedies and take control. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and remedies.